Welcome, welcome, welcome everyone to the very first live stream success summit powered by StreamYard. I'm Leticia Campbell and I'm going to be your host throughout the entire event. We have a great lineup for you today, but before we get started, I want you to know about some options available to you. We have closed captionings on all stages and booths powered by Caption First as we await the release of Hopin's own native closed captioning. You can find all the links to in the reception area as well as individual stages under the screen or in the polls tab. You might also notice that we have American Sign Language interpreters here, and they will be supporting all stages and booths today as we want to emphasize inclusivity in is a simple option feature on StreamYard. You will also be sent all the recordings for you by early next week, and you will have the access to them for 30 days.